Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of apples, not just a delicious snack, but a powerhouse of health benefits. So let's explore everything from their fascinating history to their incredible impact on our well-being. First things first, let's talk about the fruit itself. Apples come in a variety of colors, shapes, and flavors. From the sweet Honeycrisp to the tart Granny Smith, there's an apple for everyone. Their thin skin hides a world of nutrients, making them a perfect addition to your daily diet. Did you know that much of the apple's nutritional goodness lies in its skin? Packed with fiber, antioxidants, and vitamins, the skin contributes to heart health, digestion, and even skin vitality. Beneath the surface, the apple's chemistry is a fascinating mix of natural sugars, phytonutrients, and minerals, all working together for our benefit. Apples belong to the Rosaceae family and the Malus genus. With thousands of varieties, they've been cultivated for centuries across the globe. From Asia to Europe and beyond, apples have become a staple in many cultures. Their cultivation involves careful planning, considering factors like soil quality, climate, and proper care to yield the best results. Let's take a trip back in time. Apples have a rich history dating back thousands of years. They were a symbol of love and temptation in various cultures. Over time, humans have selectively bred apples to enhance their flavors, sizes, and textures. The modern apple is a result of centuries of careful breeding. Apples, like many fruits, rely on pollination for reproduction. Bees play a crucial role in this process, ensuring the continuation of apple varieties. While most people can enjoy apples without issue, some may have pollen allergies that can trigger reactions during the blooming season. It's essential to be mindful of individual sensitivities. Now, let's talk nutrition. Apples are a nutrient-dense snack, offering vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They can aid in weight management, improve heart health, and even support bone health. Beyond just munching on them, apples can be used in various culinary creations, from pies and sauces to salads and smoothies. For those of you interested in organic options, many farmers are adopting sustainable and organic practices in apple cultivation. Choosing organic ensures fewer pesticides and a more environmentally friendly approach to farming. Apples have not just nourished our bodies but also played significant roles in various cultures and mythologies. From Germanic paganism, where apples symbolized immortality, to Greek mythology associating them with love and beauty, apples have left their mark on our stories and traditions. In Christian art, apples often symbolize sin and redemption. The forbidden fruit in the Garden of Eden is commonly depicted as an apple. Proverbs like "an apple a day keeps the doctor away" showcase the long-standing belief in the health benefits of this remarkable fruit. And there you have it, the incredible journey of apples, from their humble origins to the present day. Whether you enjoy them for their taste, nutritional benefits, or cultural significance, apples truly are a remarkable gift of nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights. Until next time, stay healthy and enjoy your apples.